now that we have completed our circuit demo, we are going to build the HMI, the Human Machine Interface, or the GUI, the Graphical User Interface, to talk to our system and have display what is actually going on. So we need to go to C Builder, runtime, I'm sorry. And then the last compiled is our demo circuit, so that is the one that we want. Now, our demo circuit has a generator, going to breakers with a load, going to breakers with a load. So I like to draw these with somewhat of the same orientation as our schematic. That helps me see where things are. So just right click, go to create, and then first off we're just going to pull up a three-phase RMS plot. We can go with our node voltages, and we can go pull nodes 1, 2, and 3 are going to be the first ones right off of our generator. So you hold the control button and just click all three of them and hit enter. And this is going to be our generator voltage. And it says kV. Our generator was 480, so it should show up on here. Now, next we're going to go to a breaker. So there's not a lot of options here. We're just going to put a line, and you don't need to use the keyboards. You can use it with your mouse on here to extend. And then I like to draw a little switch that reminds me that it is indeed a breaker or something. And here we are, and you can label these. So we can call this one breaker 1. Now at breaker 1 we have current, so we can right click, go to create, and we can put a plot of our branch currents right there. And that was 1, 1, and 1. And let's make this a little longer so they're not too crushed together. And then we're going to copy you. Actually, there's a load, so we can draw that in there as well. We just shrink this down a little bit. We have resistors. Just pop one in there so we know why the current is acting how it's acting. And draw the rest of our bus over to another breaker. To another load. And then we do have another point over here where we can see our voltages. So we are going to paste more wire, and then we are going to ground it. So over here we can label this breaker 2. Then we're going to go right click again, create, and another plot showing our current for the second breaker. And then over here we can put another meter with the output voltages. Actually, we only had 2 currents that we were outputting. So this is our whole system. And then we need switches to open the breakers. So create a switch. Breaker control switch 1. Create switch. Breaker control 2. Now somebody else is on my rack. So this is how you build one, and in the next video we will hook it up to the rack and run it.